Welcome back to our channel. I want to share my personal views on low-cost drone cameras and discuss the pros and cons of using them. It's important to note that the insights I'll be sharing are based on my own experiences and opinions. So, let's dive right in. In this video, we'll be exploring the world of low-cost drone cameras and examining the advantages and disadvantages they offer. Low-cost drone cameras provide an affordable option for those looking to venture into aerial photography without breaking the bank. However, it's crucial to understand the pros and cons before making a decision. So, let's explore the 7 pros and cons of using low-cost drone cameras. Let's begin by discussing the pros of using low-cost drone cameras. Number 1. Affordability. One of the major advantages of low-cost drone cameras is their affordability. They offer an accessible entry point into the world of aerial photography for those on a budget. Number 2. Beginner-friendly. Low-cost drone cameras are ideal for beginners who want to learn and practice drone piloting and aerial photography skills without a significant financial commitment. Number 3. Portability and lightweight. These cameras are often compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry and transport to different locations for your aerial adventures. Number 4. Decent image quality. While they may not match the image quality of high-end models, low-cost drone cameras can still capture satisfactory photos and videos for recreational use and social media sharing. Number 5. Fun and entertainment. Low-cost drone cameras provide hours of fun and entertainment, allowing you to explore your creativity and capture unique perspectives from the sky. Number 6. Learning tool. They serve as a valuable learning tool, allowing beginners to gain experience in drone piloting and aerial photography techniques before considering an upgrade to more advanced models. Number 7. Accessibility. Low-cost drone cameras make aerial photography more accessible to a wider audience, allowing more people to engage with this exciting hobby. Now, let's discuss the cons of using low-cost drone cameras. Number 1. Limited features and functionalities. Low-cost drone cameras often lack advanced features such as obstacle avoidance systems or advanced flight modes found in higher-end models. Number 2. Shorter flight time. Due to their lower-priced components, low-cost drone cameras usually have shorter battery life and flight time, which can limit the duration of your aerial photography sessions. Number 3. Less stability. Low-cost drone cameras may not offer the same level of stability and flight control as higher-end models, resulting in less smooth and steady footage. Number 4. Limited durability. To keep costs down, low-cost drone cameras may be less durable and more susceptible to damage in #5 case of crashes or accidents. Number 5. Restricted camera control. Some low-cost models may have limited manual control options, which can restrict your ability to fine-tune settings for specific photography needs. Number 6. Lower video quality. Low-cost drone cameras often have lower video resolution and limited frame rate options, resulting in less sharp and detailed footage. Number 7. Limited range and connectivity. Due to cost-saving measures, low-cost drone cameras may have shorter range capabilities and limited connectivity options, which can impact their operational distance and compatibility with certain devices. Conclusion. To sum it up, low-cost drone cameras offer affordability and accessibility, making them a great option for beginners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.